Awesome, Logan. Bring him up to shore, buddy. Away from all the sticks and stuff. Way up here.